Grits trace back to the 16th century with the Muskogee indigenous peoples of the southeastern United States. They ground dried corn into a coarse meal, creating a porridge called safke. American colonists adopted grits from the Muskogee, and it quickly became a staple dish. This culinary exchange marked the beginning of grits' journey into American culture. The Spanish and Portuguese helped spread grits worldwide, introducing them to South America, Europe, Africa, and beyond, showcasing the dish's adaptability and appeal across cultures. Grits are made from ground corn, available in yellow or white. Quick grits, found in supermarkets, are made from non-hominy maize, offering convenience for modern kitchens. In the South, grits are more than food. They're a cultural icon. Georgia declared grits its official prepared food in 2002, and South Carolina has legislation dedicated to them. Grits have evolved into fine dining, with dishes like shrimp and grits gaining popularity. This dish became famous in the 1980s at an upscale restaurant in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. A debate divides grits enthusiasts, savory or sweet. Southerners prefer savory with salt and butter, while Northerners might add sugar, highlighting regional differences in taste.